What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. If not, welcome back, guys. Today we got a clutch job on a 2015 plus WRX, and we're gonna try our best to get the Forester done. And we got some wheels in for a customer. That we're going to get mounted for him today. We got some gold gram lights and some Michelins. We're going to get mounted for a customer. Alright, guys, we got to load it up. Let's head to see Honda. Alright, guys, let's head on to Honda.
You're a monster.
Truth, no, you don't have to lie to me. Don't fill your head with things and think you're free. I can smell the fear, I think you made it clear. Yeah, I could be rude, be in a mood, I can be rotten. I could be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. You won't like what you see.
Alright, guys, we got the wheels and tires mounted and balanced. Time to head back to the shop. Right. Alright, guys, if you do have a 15 plus WRX, I recommend replacing them. And that's why it looks like it's really about to poke through. So most people won't replace this, and then after they get their clutch replaced, this goes out another 1,000 miles, and then you have to do the whole shebang again. So replace this. They make a hardened one. I'll try to put you a link to it in the description. Alright, guys, this is the new hardened bar, and then it's a thicker metal, so it's not just like pot metal.
It comes pre-greased?
Yeah, pre-greased. Yeah, pre-greased. But yeah, and then once you get your transmission out, your car should look like this.
Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your nightmare, slipping in your dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a for you. I'm not heater on you. No, I'm just telling you the facts. Oh, these chains can keep me down. Yeah. I can be rude, be in the mood, I can be rotten. I can be cool, mind like a fool, but never forgotten. Creeping in the dark, waiting for you. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. Dreams. I'm the definition of the worst kind of mean. Yeah, I feel like a monster, and I'm just here to haunt you. I've become your...
Alright, guys, these are the tires. if y'all need any wheels and tires, just let us know. But we got these for a customer. Actually, these are kind of the spec I wanted for Betty, but on some of the Rays you gotta wait forever to get them, like 3 months. And I happen just to look up on the set of blue ones, so after we take the tires off of them, I'll probably get them powder coated this color. And also, guys, like I said, go to Duncan and check out the list of cars that they have, and drop a comment below on which ones you want us to review first. That way it gives us a head up, and in a couple days I'm going to take the comments and I'll make a poll on YouTube, and then we'll see which one we do first. So don't forget to drop the Mini Cooper too, because that's a cool car and it looks really good. So but let us know. I'm going to get back to work, and I'll be back with y'all guys here in a little bit. Later. Alright guys, and we'll be starting on this car pretty soon, tearing it down and getting ready for the new engine and stuff that should be hopefully showing up soon. Alright guys, we're trying to get this thing buttoned up and get it, just to get it test started and fired. But look, lights are on. We got power. Alright guys, we're gonna do a test fire. Make sure we ain't got no leaks or anything. And make sure it starts. Alright, we're good to go. Sounds good for a forged engine. Not too bad. And that's a forged piston engine. But, alright, well, we're going to finish putting the interior stuff in it tomorrow.
Yep.
And we're going to take it for some miles. Yes. Yeah, we're going to try to get 100 miles on it, get it, make sure everything's sorted, and then go deliver it to the customer. Time to get those new headlights in here too. It's going to look sweet. Alright guys, it's been a fun day. We've been super busy. Let me know what you think about Betty White's new wheels. We're going to have the Forester wrapped up tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Drop us a like and a comment. And guess what? Adrian, take us out.
Tell them that the Graham lights would look better on the GT-R.
What y'all think? Should Adrian buy the Graham lights off me for the GT-R? Do 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 do. I told him the weld sports would look good on there. What do y'all think, guys?
Chrome don't work.
Chrome don't work.
Chrome don't work.
There's this thing called a powder coater.
You should just put stock R32 wheels on it.
Stock R35 wheels.
20s.
All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. Y'all take it easy.